People, welcome back. Today we're back on working on the BMW, and I am currently still prepping my new front bumper before paint. It's a brand new one and it doesn't have the optional extras that my car is originally fitted with. So I have to make some holes in it for washer fluid and park sensors. And I'm going to show you a little bit around that now. We're going to turn you guys around and we'll see you right away. Here you are, the right way. So this bumper is the original bumper of my car that has been on there since 2002, and what my new bumper doesn't have is this hole, this hole right there, and that one right there. So I have to then make these holes on my new bumper. So as you can see, I tried to buff this out, and well, it didn't go well. It sort of is smashed, and it's missing a little piece there. So we have an under bumper over there. That's the blue one that was on the car for a while. So we're not driving around without a bumper. And then we have the new, somehow knockoff, but it works. So we made a hole. I made one hole with some drills and knives and sharp stuff, and I tested the nozzle, so it fits roughly in there. I'm gonna go over it with a file and get all these edges smooth so that piece slots right in. They look like this, and this is from the accident, so this is broken, but they still work for yeah, I expertly cataloged it down there. And so I have to make that, and as you see, it doesn't have a hole right there, but that's easy, you know. There we are. We're gonna cut this out on both sides. How I'm making these holes, I'm using not duct tape, but masking tape to roughly make the hole, and I tape it on the bumper, and we take our DeWalt, our drill, with a big drill bit and punch holes in the bumper. And you know, as long as you get it down there, as long as they fit and they spray washer fluid on the light, it's fine. I don't particularly care about perfect details, because people's gonna notice that from a distance. So this is ought to be fun. I'm gonna put you on the time lapse when I make some effort to make this hole, and I'll put you over to the high-speed super camera from Wish, which seemed to work well. So here it comes right now. And we are finished prepping this bumper. It's not paint ready yet, but I have made all the holes I need to make, and for the park distance sensors and the headlamp washers, and they actually fit both sides. I think it came out pretty good. Yes, this is significantly several days later. To make these fit perfectly, I had a hell of a lot of filing to do, and I broke at least 2 files making these 2 holes. So, but it's now ready for paint. I also made a hole back here for that, and because it didn't have one, and the reason it took so long, I needed to wait for my paycheck so I could buy a saw, air saw, which I did today, and because today's 22nd of May. So now this bumper is ready for some paint, and I have to take it back off again and give it to the painter someday soon. And with that, well, yeah, I haven't put on fog lights and bottom grill, but doesn't matter. With that, if you like this video, please give it a like. I'll be very happy if you subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you again in the next one. Stay safe. Wait, before you go, this video was now nice and short because I didn't want to bore you with me drilling holes. So I decided to make this video very short, and that's why you didn't see me do the first one, the first hole. I have full footage of all of that. I have videotaped it. It is in slow-mo video, so it is 20 minutes of raw footage. Yeah. But if you want me to upload it, if you want to see it, I'll upload it. Just comment below on this video, and I will have it edited and uploaded to you shortly. That was all. Now you can go off now and watch your Hellcat videos. Bye.